bon tili ki auto rickshaw ki bakamai hasor nongpo kila Shah dan kuna haki pulit katana traffic na nongpo kabadai halor ka jingpen ken kendon klem dan license u driver but klem kot klem sla babon ki kot kisla kila kut por klem da pen thamai kani ka jing Shah dan kuna ki auto rickshaw kadai minta kasi har jing pelong katanat pulit traffic dan nongpo pan kenra ni bat ya bon ki auto rickshaw ki bakamai hasor nongpo ha jing kenra kabala pelong hasurak ba hajan ke Bethany Hospital nongpo kadai ka jing kenra ki pulit ya ki auto rickshaw kadai ru halor ba ki pulit kila yo jing tep babon ki auto rickshaw kila syuka mai bean klem da don ki kot kisla bat si benta banai ke jing kai halor ke jing don kam ban bot iki kendon la pelong ya kani ke jing kenra na ka benta ban te la kam ya ki tu ki auto rickshaw ki bakamai bean hapo ka sor nongpo abakran chi nong thok khubor urubul ali officer in charge katanat traffic ulaong bakom katanat pulit ka jupelong ya ka program aji kai shaki kali patba na ka por sa ka por bar bon pat kim buram satya ya ki kendon ha ka ba hap ban pelong kum kini ki jingken ra ka balong kum ka jing aji kai ba ki hap ban bot ya ki kendon jong ka anya kali ulo ang ru bahaka ni ka jingken ra alap bon ki driver kim don wat ya ki license bat kun thupru wat ki kot kisla kali bat halor kani ke jingpen khan an ki haban siu ya ka kuna kat kum ka motor vehicle act shushu ula ben rapru da ka baong ban hikai ya ki kali bakamai padba katana traffic kandang pelong bat beteng ke jingken raya baro ki kali kamai hasor nongpo bat kinu ki bapen khan an kinum lat ya ka kuna ka badai kat kum ka motor vehicle act ula ben rap.
I am in charge traffic Nongpo traffic branch. Today we are conducting this vehicle checking, especially auto vehicles. Many complaints we have received that they don't have this vehicle registration, sometimes they don't have license, and insurance also sometimes fails. So we receive so many complaints. So that's why as a awareness and plus checking, we are conducting this auto vehicle checkings. So those who don't have this license, we'll find them. Will compound them under MB Act, and those who don't have this insurance, more about the RC and all, will compound them under MB Act. So this awareness will continue. We are trying to continue this checking daily on a daily basis we are doing. Thank you.